My name's Dimitri and I'm a digital marketing specialist with Australian Enterprise. In this video, I'm going to look at the steps of creating a logo that's going to work for your online business or just your business with an online presence. And I'm going to refer to this article that's on our website called How to Create a Great Logo for Your Business. I'll put a link in the description so you can go to this article and use the links in the article. So the first thing you want to do when you're creating a logo is just to basically get some concept ideas. The way to do that is just using Google search. So in this case, I'm going to look for ideas for a blog that we're going to name New Mum. And so I'm going to get ideas for a logo that has concepts to do with mum. So mum logo is what you would search for, and then just click on images. And so you're going to get a whole bunch of images, sort of concept ideas for a logo. So once you see something you like, you can start jotting down sort of like a concept or a brief for a designer. And just going back to here, the key is to keep your logo really simple and trying to make it unique so that it doesn't look like anything else or any other logos that might be a competitor or something. Also, make it easily recognizable or identifiable from a distance. So, you know, the tabs, for example, use miniature versions of logos that are 16 by 16, and that's pretty much like a standard you can go by to try and create a logo that at that size is recognizable. And to test it, you can actually use an ICO converter. You can search for an ICO converter online and then use it to take an image. So here's one. Take an image and convert it to like a 16 by 16 and just see what that's going to look like in small format. So something like this, you would upload your logo and then set it to 16 by 16. Okay, so that's what you want to try and achieve, a logo that's easily recognizable even in small format. Now, the other thing about logos is you've got to make it look professional, because the logo, it really represents your business, and a professional logo will convey a sense of professionalism around your business. So in a way, you're investing in your logo. Yes, you can get some cheap logos done online. You can go to Fiverr, for example, and look for logos. You go to graphic design, logo design, and then you can set some parameters in terms of what sort of logo you want. Minimalist, you want PNG, for example, transparent logo, etc. So you set those parameters, and then they give you some options in terms of designers. You can even pick a local designer, so you could pick Australia, and you can just select local designers. The only problem with this way of choosing designers and getting designers is, although it's fairly inexpensive, it's a hit and miss. You know, you don't really know the designer. You can look at their portfolios and see what they've done, but you don't know how well it's going to go for you, what sort of concepts that designer is going to come back to you with based on your brief. And you really have to be very precise with your brief. You have to specify what you want. And if you're not sure what you want on the logo, you're better off going with a company that does sort of logo designs as a full package, such as this one here, 99 Designs, local Australian company. And you can, I'll just scroll down to the packages. You can get a package from around $400 here. And when they give it out to multiple designers, and when those designs come back to you, they present you with, you know, quite a few design concepts. So you've got 30, for example, at the bronze level to choose from. And then as you go up, mainly you're getting middle to top level designers, and then you've got top level designers at the platinum level. So the quality of design goes up, not necessarily the concepts. You get many concepts to choose from. So your brief can be fairly broad as opposed to using Fiverr or a freelance online place. So I've included a couple of links there. You can use those to go and check it out. And the last thing, when you are getting a logo design, as you get your concepts back, you can run them through the trademark checker on the Australian government website using this link here, and compare those trademarks that have been registered in Australia to the logo concepts, and just basically steer away from any registered designs. So in this case, I'm just going to do a search for woman and baby, and do a search and just see what other logo concepts have been registered or pending registration, to compare and see, okay, is my logo going to be similar to something else, and just to make sure that you've got a fairly unique logo. That's what you want to achieve. So that's the last step, or sort of as you've got your designer working on perhaps the final drafts of your concepts, just to make sure you check there that there's nothing registered with that sort of image. And that's it. Hopefully this will help you come up with a great logo for your business. Thank you for watching. This video is just a short version of the full module that covers this topic in greater detail. For more information on how you can get hold of the full version, check out the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We've got heaps of new videos coming up that are going to help you improve the marketing of your business online.